So grade 11 straight lines, we can check some of the formulas. Okay, if p x1 y1 q x2 y2, suppose 2 points p, so the distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Suppose midpoint of those 2 points x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Suppose same those 2 points slope of those 2 points y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 m equal to. Then if we know the slope and one point, if we know the slope m and one point, we can write the line equation, that is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Then if we know the two lines and two lines slopes are m1 m2 suppose, so we have to calculate between the two lines angle, that angle is tan theta equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Then next line make the angle with positive x-axis, any line make the angle with the positive x-axis, that m equal to tan alpha directly. Alpha must not equal to 90. If it is alpha is 90, that is not defined, so directly m equal to tan alpha only. Then the slope of horizontal line is 0 and the same time slope of vertical line is not defined. Okay, then some more lines, y equal to mx plus c is in m is the slope and c is the y-intercept, means the line intersect at y-axis where it is at c only. Then y equal to m times of x minus d, in m is the slope and d is the x-intercept, means that line where it is intersecting at x-axis, that point is d only. Then x by a plus y by b equal to 1, this line must intercept x-axis and y-axis surely, that is x-axis intersecting at a and y-axis intersecting at b. Okay, then distance from one point to line or line to one point, the perpendicular, right, that is d equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 by under root a square plus b square, the distance between point to line. Okay, then distance between the parallel lines, suppose these two are parallel lines, what is the distance? The distance is c1 minus c2 by under root a square plus b square. Then suppose x cos omega y sin omega equal to p. What is this formula? This formula is normal distance from origin to that line is p, normal distance from origin to the line p distance, same as this omega is normal angle with x-axis, that line is making normal angle with the x-axis. Then two lines are parallel, means their slopes are equal. If two lines are parallel means the slopes are equal, m1 equal to m2 we can choose directly. Then the two lines are perpendicular, so if two lines are perpendicular, the slopes are is product of slopes is equal to minus 1, that means m1 times m2 equal to minus 1, m1 times m2 equal to minus 1. Then area of the triangle formed 3 coordinates, area of the triangle, so x1 times y2 minus y3 plus x2 times y3 minus y1 plus x3 times y3 y1 minus y2. Then two more formulas, suppose if we know 2 points and the ratio is m is to n, m is to n, it's dividing internally become the point, one point is dividing internally m is to n ratio. So the point how we can calculate, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. The same point it is dividing externally. So the formula become mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. If we know this much formulas, we can get good marks in straight line grade 11th. Okay, thank you.